many of the time we have a one view of data and we have to transpose the data to get a different view. Now the problem in this case, if we transpose the data without any links and later on we make any changes in the original data, then we will not get the other data updated automatically. So Excel gives us two methods to transpose the data using formulas. Now the first one is simple but little complicated, and the second one is not a direct route. So let us see which are the methods. So first is a formula which is called as a transpose formula. Now in case if we want to apply the transpose formula, we have to exactly select the number of rows and number of columns which needs to be transposed. So here I have 5 columns and 6 rows which needs to be transposed. So I have to select 5 rows here and 6 columns so that my data can be transposed here. And in first cell I will apply the formula transpose. Then we have to select the array here, and then we cannot simply put enter here because this is the array formula. So we have to apply Ctrl Shift Enter key. And you can see now this is a link transpose. So if you make any changes here, it will make changes in your transpose data also. But the problem of this formula is if you don't select the proper range, then this will not give a correct picture, which is not a practical solution if you are having a large number of rows and columns. So we will see the another way to transpose the data using link. So the another method is not a direct method, we have to go indirectly. So first I will select this column and rows. I will apply a paste special with paste links here. Now this will give me a exact replica of this data with links. Now the fundamental concept of formula in Excel is Excel formula works only if start with equals to plus or minus. Now here is the trick to transpose the data using links. If we replace this equals to sign with any other character and then we transpose the data and then replace the character again to equals to sign, then it can give us a transpose data with links. So let us see how to do this one. So I'll go to Ctrl H and then I will find equals to, and I am replacing with a hash. You can replace with any other character which is not available in your data. Then I'll click on replace all. Now this is simply a number characters here which is giving me A1, B1 and all. Now I will select this data now and I'll go to again paste special and transpose. Now see, this data is transposed now. So A is in first row, B is in second row, C, D and E like this. Now again what I am going to do is I am going to replace this hash sign with equals to sign so that my original value can come. So I'll again go to Ctrl H, I'll put find what hash and replace with equals to. I'll put replace all. Now this is a most accurate and practical method if we have a large data set which needs to be transposed with the links. That's it in this video. I hope you'll find this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.